Bahujan Samaj Party chief Mayawati on Sunday pointed out that her party disagrees with the Supreme Court's ruling that allows sub-classification within the scheduled castes. Addressing a press conference in Lucknow, former UP Chief Minister said that the sub-classification of people within scheduled caste and scheduled tribe has been permitted and our party doesn't agree with it. Let's listen into the responses that's coming in so far with regards to this story.
माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के 7 न्यायाधीशों की संवैधानिक पीठ द्वारा अभी हाल ही में 1 अगस्त 2024 को देश में अनुसूचित जाति व अनुसूचित जनजाति के आरक्षण के संदर्भ में जो एक अति महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय दिया गया है, तो उसके संबंध में अपनी पार्टी की प्रतिक्रिया जाहिर करने के लिए बुलाई गई है, जिसमें अनुसूचित जाति व जनजाति के लोगों को पुनः उप वर्गीकृत सब क्लासिफिकेशन अर्थात सब क्लासिफिकेशन किए जाने को मान्यता प्रदान की गई है, जिसको लेकर और भी बहुत सी बातें कही गई हैं। उनसे हमारी पार्टी कतई भी सहमत नहीं है और इस संबंध में माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट द्वारा दविंदर सिंह बनाम पंजाब राज्य मामले में पारित इस आदेश के अनुसार अब राज्य सरकारें अनुसूचित जाति व जनजाति की सूची के भीतर आरक्षण के लिए उप वर्गीकरण अर्थात नई सूची बना सकेंगी।
The PTI reported that the BSP Supremo is saying that the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party government at the centre did not object to the verdict and that the lawyers who represented the government presented such arguments that helped the Supreme Court deliver the decision. She claimed, and I quote, "Lawyers from either Congress side or representing the government both facilitated the Supreme Court. This reflects that they don't have the right intention. Instead of ending the quota given to the SCs and STs themselves, they're trying to end it through the judiciary and they've mostly been successful in it," she said. In a significant ruling on Thursday, the Supreme Court in fact said that states are constitutionally empowered to make sub-classifications within the scheduled caste, which form a socially heterogeneous class, for granting reservation for the uplift of castes that are socially and educationally more backward. The SC verdict said that the states must identify the creamy layer within the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and take them out of quota. Not just the BSP at this point, but even NDA allies like Chirag Paswan's LJP and Ramdas Athavale's RPIA have opposed the SC-ST subclassification verdict of the Apex Court. The Lok Janshakti Party, Ram Vilas, will be filing a review petition against the verdict.